Is this the ultimate find of the year? This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason. This specific check this out you love is proving to be mind-blowingly effective. The secret behind its huge popularity is simple: it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. It brings professional-level utility straight to your hands. You will absolutely love how it saves you so much time. It saves you energy, money, and unnecessary headaches from day one. It is truly a premium solution without a heavy premium price tag. Thousands of buyers are obsessed with it before it sells out everywhere. Is this the ultimate find of the year? This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason.